Hi, good morning from Helsinki, Finland. Nandito kami sa Helsinki Airport. Papunta kami ng Rovaniemi to see Santa Claus. Kids, are you excited to see Santa Claus? Yeah! Okay, you have a wish? Like you have a wish for Santa Claus?
Yeah.
Like a gift?
Toy.
What gift do you like?
I want the idea.
Oh, wow. How about the others?
I want like that one.
Okay, how about the others? Oh, how about Harry? Are you smiling, Harry? What do you like?
Like to bite his nails.
Oh, okay. How about you, Harvey? You don't know yet. How about Charlotte?
I want a Barbie doll.
Barbie doll. Okay. How about the princess?
I want a big Polaroid camera.
Oh wow,
A big
big Polaroid camera. Okay.
Yes.
How about Prince?
I haven't decided.
Oh, you haven't decided yet. How about Zaid? Zaid? No wish. And this one more, the youngest, the baby girl. Andy, what gift do you like? What toy do you like, Andy?
Baby doll.
A baby doll?
Baby doll.
Okay. Okay, so we'll see you in Lapland, Rovaniemi, Finland. Bye.
Godzilla and King Kong.
We were working.
Hi, welcome to Rovaniemi, Finland! Tonight is December 31, New Year's Eve dito sa Rovaniemi, Finland. Pero bago kami mag New Year's Eve celebration, doon sa lake na yon, we have to go to see the Northern Lights. Kids, you're gonna see the Northern Lights later, hopefully. We have to pray and wish that we're gonna see the Northern Lights this evening. Kasi yung iba, kahapon, hindi nila nakita yung Northern Lights, sabi ng ibang Pinoy na na-meet namin. Second, cloudy daw ngayon, cloudy. So, maliit ang chances na makita namin yung Northern Lights. But I hope makita namin. And nag-snow siya ngayon, as you can see. Ano ba temperature natin ngayon? Maybe it's -5. Anyway, you have to show around para makita nila the city of Rovaniemi, Finland.
Holy crap. Oh God, I hate this.
Hi, sir.
Oh God. Oh.
Where's the lake?
The
We're
lake?
standing.
Yes, yes.
We're standing.
This is the land, and this is already lake here.
So we are safe here.
Yes, yes. It's very safe to stand on the lake. Lake was frozen already at the first week of November because that time we had -20 degrees and we didn't have snow. And without snow, lakes are freezing very quick because snow is kind of insulation now. And Ruslan, they will help me with a campfire. They will do sausages, vegetarian pies. We have marshmallow, gingerbread,
Wow.
and very tasty juice. About the horizon, like this.
Okay.
And therefore, it's only possible to see it from open locations. But if the sun activity is very strong and northern light appear just on the top of sky, it's also possible to see northern light even from the forest.
Hi, nandito kami ngayon sa Songka Village by the Songka Lake. No, it's December 31. We arrived around 7:30 in the evening, only 30 minutes from the city. However, unfortunately, hindi namin nakita ang Northern Lights, no? Kasi malakas ang snow niya ngayon. At the same time, medyo cloudy siya. So, we'll keep our fingers crossed. Sana makita namin ang Northern Lights sa Tromsø in Norway. Because dito hindi namin siya nakita, sayang. But we had barbecue right here. Kanina kumain kami ng sausage with bread, with the rice. That's the rice bread. You know, rice pie. Na masarap siya. And meron siyang pinainom sa amin na hot na burberry juice. Masarap din siya, mainit siya. And nakaka-init siya nakatawan. But right now, nakikita nyo, sobrang lamig ngayon dito kasi nag-i-snow dito. Kasama ko ang family ko dito. Sila, yan, kita sila. Mark, Jiro, and the Regency family dito. My sister Marilung, yan, dito sila. And ikaw, pakita ba din sa'yo? Ikaw, si Royce. Okay? So, babalik na kami sa city sa Rovaniemi sa Scandic Hotel. Okay, bye for now. Bye-bye. Ayan, nakikita niyo yung snowball, no, ginawa ni Prince to. Nag-start na to kanina kasi liit lang ng fist ng kamay. Tapos ni-roll niya ng ni-roll, no? Habang niro-roll mo siya, dumidikit yung snow, napalaki niya ng ganito. Mula ganun kaliit, naging parang bola siya kanina ng basketball, hanggang lumaki siya parang balloon. Ngayon, ganito din siya kalaki. Just keep on rolling. Pag ni-roll mo siya ng ni-roll, dumidikit yung snow dyan. Yan, ganyan lang siya kalaki. Close up mo para makita nila. Everyone, look at, show the big ball, show the big snowball. Okay, we gotta go now. Let's go, let's go.
Bye-bye. Say bye.
Kill it.
Four minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Naka-on na? Meron na rin ako, ano? Oo. Last 3 minutes, we have to run for the New Year's countdown here in Rovaniemi, Finland. Papunta kami sa lake. Kasi last 2 minutes, hinahabol namin yung countdown for the New Year 2023. Right here in Rovaniemi, Finland.
2 minutes.
Medyo crowded na doon. Dito na lang tayo. Medyo crowded na doon. Oo. Dito na lang kami kasi medyo crowded doon eh. We're waiting for the countdown. I think this last 1 minute for year 2023. So we're welcoming the new year right here in Rovaniemi, Finland. I'm with Kyla, Mark, and Royce, our videographer.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! It's New Year now? It's
New Year naman!
Yay! Oh, there you go! It's New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone! Yay! Yay! You're watching. suihku lähekkälä.
Tuo on aika hieno tuo biisi. Mäkin tiedän.
Party party.
Dapat dito may pagkita. Marami tao. Guys. Meron ba yan? Hello! Masaya rin dito sa Rovaniemi. Hindi ganun karaming tao, pero masaya. Kaya super lamig dito. Sobrang ginaw. Kulang to suot ko, pero medyo konting tiis sa lamig. Ang bigat kasi ng trench coat ko eh. Sobrang bigat ng trench coat. Kaya ito na lang muna. Yan yung ganyan trench coat namin eh. Yan. Creation ni Eric Pineda. Yan ang model.
Pakita mo, pakita mo.
Pakita mo. Yan.
Ay, mas malaki pala yun dito. Oh. Yung mountain ng ano. Ang taas. Ha? Oo.
Alam ko may ganyan kadating sayaw eh. Di ba Kuya Ray, may ganyan kadating sayaw?
Sino mo ang cute?